Today is day 5 of micro practices for mindful leadership. Nature as a co leader. Using nature to ground yourself and reset your leadership energy. How about resetting our nervous system in 3 minutes? Today, we are stepping out of the boardroom and getting close to the nature. Stay with me. Nature doesn't rush, nature doesn't thrive. It actually grows and it leads. So, why not we make it as a co leader to energize our leadership skills? So, what are we doing today? Stay with me, I'll explain in a bit. Follow this. Step outside or look out of the window. Spend about 3 minutes just looking out of the window. Maybe a moving clouds, maybe a bird. Just observe. Take slow breaths while you're watching them. Let your mind settle into presence, not productivity. Actually, you don't need a forest, even a balcony, or even a small potted plant will do because it reminds you to be steady, wise, and grounded. So, ground your leadership with this 3-minute break every at least 2 hours. Pause the hustle. Let nature lead your nervous system to the presence. Look out, breathe in, and settle down. So, take 3 minutes break. No phone, no thinking, just being present and watching the nature. And let me know what is that you found in these 3 minutes. See you tomorrow.